you have a bird bath and you hate that you have to clean it daily, the water, and you eventually get mold spots, well, this is my remedy. They say to not use dish soap and all that. I think it gets slimy, but guess what I use? That's right. Vinegar. Straight vinegar. I don't mix it with water. And you just spread it. And now I'm just going to let it soak like this for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. You see the stain has faded. If you scrub on it now, they'll come off, but it takes a while. But at least it's softened. So next, what I do, SOS. To see how quick it takes it off. You could skip the step of the vinegar. I just like to use the vinegar because the vinegar is a natural disinfector. It kills molds and stuff. Or you could do the SOS pad first and then the vinegar. I don't think it matters which order. All right, I rinsed it off and now it's full of water. And I forget to mention, for the grass lovers that saw me dumping the vinegar straight on the grass, yes, if you don't rinse it off or hose it down with water after, it will burn your grass. I'm not too worried about mine right now because it's been over 40 degrees for the past week in this area. But yeah, wherever you dump the vinegar, you can hose it down if you don't want your grass to burn, because it will burn your grass at that spot. Now, the best trick ever, so that your water stay fresh the longest and you don't get slime, and it will take a week for you to even see those spots I just mentioned to you, is what you add? This. What is that? It's copper. It has to be real copper. Just go at any hardware store, any shape you want. I got this years ago and it's amazing. I don't even have to change my water daily with this. It keeps your water very much fresher and the birds really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.